How to use promo code in Clash of Clans. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you are wondering how you can follow up the steps. So for that you can open up Clash of Clans onto your device and you should be finding this interface with your village in your screen. So all you gotta do is access the settings. For that in your screen in the right top bottom right corner, you should be finding gear icon. Tap on it to open up settings. After tapping on it, in your settings at the last of your screen, you should be finding a more settings option. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on more settings, you should be finding a menu where different options are available. From the menu, scroll down and head over to the creator boost section. This one right here. And when you do, here you should be finding support or creator option. All you gotta do is click on this option that says enter code, tap on it. After that, in this code section, you can go ahead and enter up the promo code that you are trying to use. So just go ahead and do that, enter, and that's it, and it should be applied in your game. So that is how you use promo code in Clash of Clans. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.